Across the Philippine archipelago, shipyards are roaring back to life with a new sense of urgency and purpose. Once quiet at dawn, these vast industrial landscapes now hum with renewed energy as the first rays of sunlight illuminate the silhouettes of workers streaming in, ready to shape the nation's future. The clang of steel and the blaze of welding torches fill the air, echoing across the docks. Here, skilled hands and determined faces are transforming commercial shipyards into vital centers of national defense, where every spark and every hammer strike carries the weight of responsibility. Giant cranes swing massive hull sections into place, while teams of welders and engineers work with precision, pride, and a shared sense of mission. Each piece of steel, each carefully measured weld, is a testament to Filipino craftsmanship and resolve. This is not business as usual. This is a nation forging its own shield, one steel plate at a time. Every layer of armor, every reinforced bulkhead, is a promise to protect the homeland. Imagine standing in Subic Bay. The ground vibrates beneath your feet, the air thick with the scent of salt and hot metal. Every worker here knows they're building more than just ships. They're building security, hope, and a legacy for future generations. These powerful scenes are mirrored in Cebu, Davao, and other coastal hubs, where shipyards bustle with activity and determination. Across the islands, a collective effort is underway. The Philippines is quietly, but steadily, transforming its world-class commercial shipbuilding industry into a formidable force for national defense. The transition is both ambitious and inspiring. For decades, Filipino expertise built ships for the world. Now that same skill, honed over generations, is focused inward, serving the nation's own needs and aspirations. Shipyards that once launched cargo vessels destined for foreign ports are now assembling patrol craft and naval ships, ready to defend Philippine waters. Dry docks that held massive oil tankers now cradle the future of the Philippine Navy, supporting the birth of new guardians for the archipelago's vast maritime domain. This is not a distant plan or a far-off dream. It's happening now, in real time, as Filipino workers and engineers bring these warships to life. The roar of the shipyard signals a new dawn. Filipino-made ships, crafted with care and determination, are now launching from these docks, ready to defend Filipino shores and assert the nation's sovereignty. The transformation is visible everywhere, from the detailed blueprints on drafting tables to the bustling assembly lines where ship components come together, piece by piece. The Philippines is taking control of its security, building guardians of its seas with its own hands. In every handshake, every weld, and every completed vessel, the spirit of a nation awakening is clear, determined to protect its future, together. The decision to pivot from commercial to defense shipbuilding marks a pivotal turning point in the Philippine industry, signaling a new era of national ambition and strategic focus. For decades, local shipyards built vessels for the world, exporting not just ships but also expertise, and creating a skilled workforce and world-class facilities that earned global respect. But then, leaders asked a crucial question: why not build for ourselves? This simple idea sparked a national transformation, igniting a sense of purpose and pride across the industry. Instead of starting from scratch, the Philippines is repurposing its existing industrial might for defense, breathing new life into established shipyards and maximizing their potential. This approach saves valuable time and resources, accelerating the modernization of the Navy and allowing the country to respond quickly to evolving security needs. The shift isn't just about building new ship types. It's about embracing new technology, enhancing security, and achieving greater precision in every aspect of shipbuilding. Warships demand advanced electronics, cutting-edge weaponry, and secure systems, pushing shipyards to upgrade, innovate, and adopt international best practices. Investments in digital design, automation, and secure facilities are transforming traditional shipbuilders into advanced defense centers, ready to meet the challenges of modern warfare. By leveraging commercial strengths and decades of experience, the Philippines is building a sustainable, sovereign defense capability that can stand the test of time. Skills honed on cargo ships now create state-of-the-art naval assets, as experienced veterans pass on their knowledge to a new generation of shipbuilders. The industrial base that once powered global trade is now the bedrock of national security, ensuring the country's independence and resilience. It's a powerful example of adaptation, foresight, and self-reliance, proof that with vision and determination, a nation can chart its own course toward a stronger future. This transformation is a nationwide effort, uniting shipyards across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. In Luzon, Subic Bay's massive facilities are now a hub for naval construction and repair. Cebu's shipyards, long experts in fast ferries, are now building agile patrol craft for the Navy. Austal Philippines in Cebu leads with high-speed vessels, turning the region into a center of naval excellence. In Mindanao, Davao's yards are integrated into the supply chain, manufacturing components and assembling smaller patrol boats. This distributed approach spreads economic benefits and builds resilience. Collaboration across regions creates synergy. Hulls from Subic, electronics from Cebu, components from Davao. It's a Filipino project, built by Filipinos, for the Philippines. At the core of this transformation is the Self-Reliant Defense Posture, or SRDP. The principle is simple: buy what you must, but build what you can. The Philippines still imports advanced systems like fighter jets and submarines, but focuses on building what's possible at home. Shipbuilding is the centerpiece: patrol vessels, corvettes, and support ships tailored to local needs. Domestic production means control over design, timelines, and technical knowledge. Building at home reduces dependence on foreign suppliers and export restrictions. The SRDP is about sovereignty and long-term security. It empowers the Philippines to maintain, repair, and upgrade its fleet independently. This policy is the foundation for a confident, self-reliant future. The Philippines is not just buying security, it's building it. To realize the SRDP, the Philippines pursues a dual strategy: import advanced warships while ramping up domestic production. Imported ships like the Jose Rizal-class frigates provide immediate capability and advanced technology. Meanwhile, local shipyards focus on building offshore patrol vessels and fast attack craft, vital for daily maritime security. This approach balances urgent needs with long-term self-sufficiency. Experience from imported ships flows back into local projects, training Filipino engineers and technicians. As domestic capability grows, reliance on imports shrinks, creating jobs and saving resources. The Navy gets modern tools today while the nation builds for tomorrow. It's a practical, forward-looking plan for a capable naval force. The dual strategy ensures both readiness and resilience. The shift to domestic warship construction is already delivering results. The Fast Attack Interdiction Craft Missile (FAICM) program began with imports, but now vessels are built in Cavite. New offshore patrol vessels are slated for local construction, with contracts requiring Philippine shipyard participation. Hyundai Heavy Industries and Austal Philippines are expanding local facilities, investing in larger, more complex naval projects. These efforts show a clear path from technology transfer to independent production. The Made in the Philippines stamp is becoming a mark of quality and pride. Blueprints are turning into real steel, and real steel into the future guardians of Philippine seas. The transformation is tangible, visible, and accelerating. Building warships is fueling economic growth across the Philippines. Shipyard revitalization creates thousands of skilled long-term jobs for welders, engineers, and managers. Local suppliers and small businesses thrive, providing materials and services for the defense industry. Defense contracts keep investment within the country, stimulating manufacturing and logistics. Shipyards partner with schools to train workers in advanced techniques and digital design. These skills boost the entire workforce, driving innovation beyond shipbuilding. Every new warship means years of stable employment and economic ripple effects. Defense spending now reinvests in Filipino people and industries. The result: a stronger, more self-sufficient national economy. The path to becoming a warship-building nation isn't easy. Systems integration is a major hurdle. Warships are complex, requiring seamless coordination of engines, sensors, and weapons. Philippine shipyards are mastering the challenge of integrating components from global suppliers. Building a secure supply chain for specialized materials is another test. Government and industry are developing local suppliers and forging strong international partnerships. Upskilling the workforce is ongoing, with shipyards investing in training and collaborating with technical schools. Technology transfer agreements ensure every imported system comes with knowledge sharing. Industry leaders share best practices, turning challenges into opportunities. These are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to self-reliance. The Philippines is proving its resilience and determination to succeed. The transformation of Philippine shipbuilding is more than just an industrial achievement. It is a powerful statement of national pride and sovereignty, echoing the aspirations of a nation determined to chart its own course. Every locally built ship stands as a testament to Filipino achievement, skill, and capability. These vessels are not just products of labor, but symbols of unity, resilience, and the collective dreams of the Filipino people. The growing fleet means safer seas, stronger law enforcement, and a credible presence in contested waters. With each new ship, the Philippines asserts its rightful place in regional affairs and secures its maritime interests. Each new vessel enhances the Navy's ability to protect fishermen, deter threats, and uphold national laws. These ships are lifelines for coastal communities, ensuring their safety and supporting their livelihoods. The next decade will see the launch of large offshore patrol vessels and a maturing local supply chain, creating jobs and fostering expertise across the country. Filipino skills and innovation are making the country a hub for high-tech manufacturing, inspiring a new generation to pursue excellence in engineering and maritime trades. This is a story of turning commercial strength into strategic power, where economic progress fuels national security and independence. The ships forged in Philippine shipyards embody the nation's will, determination, and hope for the future. They are built with pride for the generations to come. They are the foundation of a stronger defense and a more prosperous, self-reliant Philippines, uniting people from all walks of life in a shared vision. The future is being built in Filipino steel, and it's a future to be proud of, forged by the hands and hearts of the Filipino people.